Good morning, everybody. This is the chairman of the gospel music, Mr. Ringtone, and I would like to communicate a few measures we've taken to be able to contain the spread of the Gengetone virus in the gospel music fraternity. So we have hereby banned a musician, a Gengetone artist by the name Bahati, from performing ever again in all gospel churches. So we are hereby advising all youth pastors, all deacons, and all youth ministers not to allow the said person, the Gengetone person, from coming to your church, so that we can be able to contain this spread of the virus called the Gengetone music in church. Otherwise, God bless you. We must guard the gates. We are gatekeepers. God is looking on us.